Hi, my name is Praveen. I'm the CTO and co-founder of AITS. Today, I'm going to demo our American Sign Language detection app on Arduino Nano BLE Sense, which uses accelerometer gyroscope to detect signs. The app can recognize 4 signs: help, more, now, and thank you. If you're looking to build a TinyML application based on sensors, this demo will show you how easy it is to do with our cAInvas platform and the underlying deepSea compiler framework. So first, we are going to look at how to build the dataset using the cAInvas platform for this application. On the cAInvas platform, you go to the devices section and you add a device. You name the device, in my case, AITS Arduino Nano. We select the device and we select gyroscope and accelerometer and the NDU register. Next, you can download the SDK. Now that we have downloaded the SDK, you will see the SDK in your downloads folder. Unzip it. This is the structure you'll see. Go into the directory, run this Python script run.py. It'll flash your Arduino device, and after flashing, it'll start reading the values from the gyroscope and the accelerometer, and it'll send this data over MQTT. Once the device is sending, go back to the platform. In the palette section, in this case, we're going to select the sensor. And since we already registered a device, we'll select the device. You can select the time, record the data set for, and I'm just going to record some data here. Data set is being recorded. So as you can see here, I have recorded multiple data sets. Now here's my notebook. In this notebook, I'm going to import the dataset. I'm going to visualize it after pre-processing and augmentation. This is what my dataset distribution looks like. For each of these gestures, I have 12,000 samples. We use PyTorch to build our model, and we train the model at 100 epochs. We have good accuracy. So once the model is trained, we save the model into an ONNX format. Then we use our deepSea to convert the model into a C++ library. And you can see that deepSea and PyTorch prediction are identical. Next, we compile PyTorch model into a library for Arduino Nano. I have flashed my Arduino. We're going to start with help. When I do the help gesture, you will see on your screen that help is being recognized. Next is thank you. Gesture happens in about 200 milliseconds. This is the gesture for now, and this is the gesture for more. And if I am not doing anything, then it goes back to detecting no gesture. So thank you for watching the demo. You can see how our technology makes it very easy for our users to complete the full TinyML flow, everything from collecting the data set, building the model, training the model, and converting it to a library for deploying on the TinyML device. Thank you.